Hey everyone, here we are doing a room tour at the Great Wolf Lodge at Webster, Texas. This is a double queen bedroom, and there's plenty of amenities. Let's start with the bathroom. There is a bathtub shower combo here with plenty of towels. Here they also provided a hair dryer and some toilet paper in case you need some additional ones. There's also a shampoo and a body wash inside the shower for you to use if you'd like. There's also pillows, blankets, and storage space, and plenty of hangers for you to use. There's a wonderful sink with a large mirror so you can check yourself out before you head out. They also have some body lotion here for you to use too. There's various light switches around the rooms that you can use, and they also provided some soap and napkins. The beds are very comfortable and the room is wonderfully decorated. They also have a thermostat for you to adjust the temperature as well. A nice sized TV, a coffee maker, an ice bucket, and a refrigerator as well for you to use. Also some additional storage as well. They really did a fantastic job with the theming. It feels like I'm in a log cabin out in the wilderness. Also, just so you know, this is a pull-out bed where you can turn the couch into a bed for you to use for additional people. Here's a view from the outside of our window. And if you haven't already, please hit like and subscribe to follow our channel. We tour various places around the world so that you don't have to, and to help you make a decision whether you'd like to stay or not. And on that note, we really hope you enjoyed this room tour at the Great Wolf Lodge over at Webster, Texas. Thanks so much for watching, and until our next journey together, have a great day.